wait a minute. Pig's drinking. Oh man, if I could only get a better angle. Just a minute. Ow. Wow, Dramamine. Look at him drink. Let's get a close-up of that. That is fascinating. Yeesh, he is ugly. Look at that hair, he's got a spiked killer. Uh-oh, I got him congregating here again, I better... Ew. Oh my gosh, cats. I don't know if you can hear this, but there's a sound of, seriously, about 3,000 or 4,000 flies. And what you're looking at there is not the famous anthill you saw earlier in Wyoming. It's another kind of hill that they make here on pig farms. And we'll just let your imagination run away with that one, because I'm scared. I'm getting towards the back side of the farm here, and this is what I'm dealing with walking along. Yuck. That's what my feet are saying about the prospect of going further to the side of the pig house. Which I don't blame them for, because, well, let's just say they're not big on sanitary issues. Greenpeace probably doesn't think too much of them. I'm going to cut off here so I can watch where I step. It's morning. Oh, pigs. Aren't they cute? Come on, pigs, get up. I swear everyone's so lazy around here. It's 9:30 in the morning, and they're still snoring away. Well, not him. He's getting his breakfast. Look at those ears go. Poor mommy. Oh my gosh, could you imagine nursing 13 children? Wouldn't you like to meet a girl who could do that? Sorry, Ma. Holy cow. Wait a minute. Hey, guy. That's mommy right there. Isn't she a beauty? Wouldn't you? Face only a child could love. There's little pigs. Here's another big pig over here. That's another mommy pig. There's her weapons there. Surprise. Oh, there's the little ones. Cute kid. Oh, aren't they cute? They're all chasing out to mommy. Now they're going to follow mommy up here because mommy wants to get food from me. We're going to get close up with Piglets. Just a minute. Come here. Here you go, mommy. How exactly do you call a pig? I've never seen that. See, if